Ito po yung chicken pens po namin. Ito na po lahat ng poste. Guys, good morning! Welcome to Maria Lesson Channel. So, today's video, busy po kami sa aming backyard dahil gagawa po kami ng bahay ng manok na. The last few days ay naging busy po talaga ang aming linya. Marami pong tinawagan para mag-inquire, para magpalagay po ng pens dito po sa aming property. At isa na din po, magpalagay po kami ng solar sa roof. Isa po talaga yung pangarap ni Dave na magkaroon po kami ng solar para semi-upgrade po kami in the future. And dahil nandito po kami sa countryside, medyo mabagal mangyari agad lahat dahil depende po sa abilities ng tagagawa. Kaya antay-antay lang po talaga kami. While waiting po kami, naisipan po namin ni Dave na gumawa na po kami ng bahay ng manok. Mag-copy muna si Maria Lassen. Ito po talaga ang favorite area ko po dito sa aming bahay dahil parang may secret rainforest po kami sa aming backyard. And I think diniligan na ni Dave dito po. And after a few weeks, may na-discover po kami dito. Before po kasi, pag nagdidilig kami dito, dinadala po namin yung water hose. And later on, na-discover po namin itong sa mga itaas po ay automatic pala yan na tubig. And then when I turn on the other day, hindi na po namin kailangan magdala dito ng water hose kasi automatic pala yan na tubig. Ayan po siya, automatic po yan. And parang may kailangan po namin ditong apex kasi parang sumabog siya dito para madiligan po itong mga fern. So lahat dito ay automatic na pala yung mga tubig dito para hindi kayo mahirapan pagdilig sa laki po ng property. So, Buster and Dave ay nandito na po sila sa backyard. Busy na po sila dahil gagawa na po kami ng bahay ng manok. Hi! So, ito po yung mga poste na gagamitin po namin para ilagay, oh my God, my little man. Pagka bait-bait naman ng batang to because it's Saturday. He will spend time with mom and dad and helping us. So anyway guys, dahil meron na po ditong cage, ito na po ang bahay ng manok. So ang mangyari po, maglagay po kami dito ng poste. Dito po, pa-square po hanggang doon po kan sa Buster. Tapos maglalagay po kami ng pens para during daytime, yung mga manok ay dito sa labas. Happy po sila maglakad-lakad. And then in the nighttime, ito po yung tutulugan nila at iitlugan po nila para secure po sila in the nighttime. Mga 10 or 12 or 15 po ang poste po namin. So, Buster, put it there, darling. Napakamura lang po ang bili po namin ng poste na ito. Ganito na po siya kalaki and they're only $10 each. Dahil po, meron pong malapit dito sa amin na tagagawa po sila ng mga fine timber wood po at mahaba na po talaga siya sa halagang $10. Mag-gloves lang po ako dahil tutulungan ko po si Buster and Drive. Dalhin po lahat ng poste dito. So, i-try ko po ipataas kung gaano po kahaba ang poste na gagamitin po namin. Sobrang taas. Mas mataas pa sa akin or kang Dave dahil magbubutas po kami sa ground. Ilalagay po talaga namin ito sa ground para mas matibay po yung poste. Tutulungan po natin si Dave and sa Buster. Oops, be careful. You might have to wear gloves, little man. You know you're such a good boy.
I don't have small gloves.
I have a small gloves for you, okay? I'm gonna grab it soon.
But they're too big for me. Look how it's size of them.
Is it too big?
Yeah.
That's okay, better than nothing. You're helping both of us?
Very good.
Lahat ng poste ay nandun po sa likod. Dahil nung binili po namin ito ay dineliver po nila. Sa sobrang lapit ay libre lang po ang deliver sa amin. It's about mga 5 minutes to drive lang po kung saan po namin to binili. Is that the last one, Han? Ito na po yung the last one. And finally, ito na po lahat ng poste na gagamitin namin. Dave, are you excited?
Yeah,
We can do it. We can do this.
Wow.
Huh?
On inside is as
Are you excited? Ay, maging taga-collect ng eggs na to in the future. Are you gonna be excited to collecting eggs? Yes, you do. I bet. So guys, first time po namin gawin ito ni Dave. Gumawa po ng chicken pens. Wala po kaming mga experience magpanday-panday. Pero gusto ko po itong gawin inspiration. Na lahat ng bagay ay pwede po natin matutunan kung itry po natin. Reality po ito sa buhay Australia. Hindi po anytime na pwede kayo kukuha ng taga-panday. Sobrang mahal. Kaya kami ni Dave, dahil meron na kaming bahay, kailangan namin mag-practice yung mga basic lang po na pwede naming gawin. Bago po kami magsimula, ay ipapakita ko po sa inyo muna ang mga tools na binili po namin para makagawa po kami ng chicken fence. Ito po yung mga binili po namin. Bumili po kami ng martelyo. And ito po ay galb tie wire. Makikita niyo po ito kung para saan lahat po ng mga tools na ito. Ito po is to cut the wire. Tapos bumili din po kami ng staple guns. Magagamit po namin ito later on. Ito din po, bumili po kami ng cable ties and electric screwdriver. May mga gloves na din po dito. Tsaka yung mga ibang parts ng tools sa screwdriver. And another staples. Parang ano to siya, nail. Instead, bumili kami ng nail. Ito po yung pinabili ko kang Dave. And I think yan na po lahat ang mga tools na gagamitin po namin para makagawa po kami ng chicken fence. And the last tools po na binili po namin na napaka-importante para makagawa po kami ng chicken fence or bahay ng manok. Ito po, this is a post hole digger. Maganda po ito na machine dahil siya po mismo ang maghuhukay or magdidig po kung saan po namin ilalagay ang poste. Hindi pa po namin ito na asimbol. Kailangan po ito 2 tao ang mag-asimbol. So, ito po ang magdidig. Wow! This is actually quite big than I thought. Mahaba po siya. Siyempre, kailangan talaga safety first dahil siguro this is a bit sharp. And ito po ang maghuhukay under the soil. Kailangan po i-measure po namin kung gaano po kalalim, kung saan namin ilalagay po yung poste. So, i-assemble ko muna ito bago po kami makasimula gumawa ng chicken fence. First, we have to take this one out, Honeybee. Okay. Yeah, I will take this one out slowly. Ooh. And ito po, this is the handle. This is operated by battery. At the moment, naka-charge po yung battery. Meron din po itong version na run by gas or petrol. Parang ito po ay hindi siya masyadong maingay. Pero guys, hindi po ito sponsor video. So pinapakita ko lang po sa inyo kung anong mga tools na ginagamit namin. Ganyan ang position niya. Tapos, lagay natin ito. The other way. Okay. Ilalagay lang po namin itong handles dito po sa machine. So, it takes time po talaga dahil kailangan safety po ang pagkalagay. It need to be tight. Baka matanggal siya while we using it. And definitely, this is very challenging, the two of us. Kailangan talaga maraming patient and kailangan magkaintindihan talaga dahil kami lang dalawa, dati prutas lang yung pinipitas namin. Ngayong mga tools na po ang hinahawakan. Guys, nag-lunch po muna kami. Lunch break. Kasi kailangan namin ng energy sa project na ito. And finally, na-assemble na po namin ang post hole digger. Ito lang po yung ginawa namin. In-attach lang po namin yung mga screwdriver. Both side is 8 po silang lahat. And final attachment. And finally, magdidig na si So, ito po ay i-attach po natin sa ibaba. Meron po itong pin na ito po ang maglalak. Okay, honey? Put it in. Yep. You have to make sure to line up. Alright. I got it. We need to lock. Guys, ganito na po siya gamitin. We have to attach the battery. I believe it's already fully charged. Yeah. Napakadali lang po i-charge po ang battery na ito. Dito mo lang po i-attach ang battery. Okay, honey, please grab the battery. Grabe ang laki nito. I'm not sure kung mag-check po ba ito. But hopefully, it's alright to use. Ito po yung battery niya, malaki at saka medyo mabigat. At itong post hole digger, mabigat po siya. Siguro sa katawan ko dahil maliit ako, mabigat talaga siya. And wait, i-attach lang po natin itong battery. Dito po ilagay sa likod. I believe, slide lang to. Woo! And how do you turn on? More wood.
Much heavier.
I know. You're very good boy.
Put it here.
Yeah. Good job, Sylvester. It's happening, guys. We're very excited this afternoon. Finally, magkaroon na po ng chicken fence si Sylvester.
Yay!
You're gonna have a chooks very soon.
Yay!
Chicken fence is out. The most important para hindi makalabas ang mga manok. Ito po yung chicken fence po namin. Pinili po talaga namin yung mataas. What's the size of this chicken fence?
It's 180 by 50 meters.
180 by 50 meters.
Mike, can I build a house?
You wanna build a house? Yes, you can. There's a lot of stake there. But later on, we will need that, okay? We will use that. So, gumagawa na siya ng bahay-bahay.
Wait, did it do now?
Yes, you can do it.
This is the biggest one.
Yeah, that's the longest one.
Can
Watch out.
Can Daddy measure it?
Daddy, measure it. Okay, Daddy, he wants you to measure it.
Okay.
And that's the longest one. It's bigger like that one.
Mm-hmm.
It's bigger.
You're going to measure it. You've got to hold it here. And then put it all the way to the end. There's 122.
122.
And what's the other one?
The small one?
No, the big one.
The chicken fence, why?
It's 180.
That's 180, the chicken pen. Put this one somewhere, Daddy. At the back of the drum, please. Because you best just keep walking there.
Okay.
Hindi naman masyado. It's not very sharp, but just to be safe, Sylvester should not be so close over there. Just behind to the drum, please. Guys, I'm just measuring kasi ito po ang magiging door entrance ng chicken fence. Kaya dito po tayo magdidig ng poste first. And then kailangan namin i-measure kung how far gap po dito kaunti para hindi masyadong close po talaga sa step. And then ganito yung size niya, yung gap niya. But anyway, let's start. At ito pala lahat ng poste namin, mini-measure ko po kung gaano po kahaba yung chicken fence po namin. And i-measure ko din po kung hanggang saan po ilalagay namin yung poste sa ground. Ngayon ko lang po na-realize kung gaano po talaga ka-importante maging handy person. Kung may mga gusto kayong project na gagawin, David and I, this is all part of our learning. Kung magkamali man kami, try lang kami ng try, never give up, and masaya po siyang gawin. Ito na po yung digger po namin. And may mga nakalagay na po ako dyan kung saan po magdidig si Dave. Good luck! Dave is very excited. First time niya po itong gamitin ang post hole digger. So how do you turn on? Dito lang po i-click ni Dave and start mag-ano na po yan, mag-spinning. David is digging. This is how deep it is already. Yung target po namin, excuse me honey, it has to be 50 centimeter. Ganyan na po siya kalalim. Malapit na po mag 50 centimeters. And oh my God, look at the little man. He has his own project as well. Sylvester,
Wait, it's hard down here.
is it hard down there?
Yeah, I think I did.
You're digging as well.
It's so hard down there.
Yeah, I think there is a root. Lalagay po namin dito. We will see. May nilagay na po ako dito na line. Supposed to be. Kailangan down pa talaga siya. So, dahil parang puro bato na po makikita nyo, hindi na po gumamit si Dave ng post hole digger. Dahil yung bato, nandyan po sa dito na side. Siguro ito po yan. Yung simento po dyan. So, you reckon you can dig more, honey? Or it's all rocks?
It's all rocks now.
Mm. So just a little bit lang talaga siya. Hopefully it's alright. So guys, tinawagan ko po ang in-laws ko, father-in-law ko po to the rescue just to make sure po kung tama po yung ginagawa namin. Yung butas daw po kung gaano ka-deep, yung recommended niya. At least daw mga 60 centimeters ang ka-deep niya, which is mga 50 centimeters lang po yung target ko. Gamit po kami ng crowbar para madig po talaga namin yung bato sa ilalim. Ito na po yung crowbar. Dinidig ni Dave yung bato para makadig pa talaga kami ng mas malalim. Bato kasi talaga na, oh, makikita niyo. Pag i-push talaga namin yung push hole digger, baka masira siya. You have to dig again after gumamit po namin ng crowbar. And guess what? This spade po, guys, is napakaliit. This is actually belong to Sylvester. It's very handy kasi maliit po siya. Madali lang ma-access. Whew. Kanina, 50 centimeters to. I adjust to 60. It's only 50. You have to dig more. It's a long way down. So, meron ako ditong linya originally. Oh, look! My line.
50 centimeters.
50 centimeters.
We need 60.
We need 60. I think this is more than 50 already.
Because my dad said it will fall over if we don't do 60.
Yeah, so kailangan 60. Otherwise daw, baka mahulog lang siya, sabi ng in-laws ko. Darling, your head! Honey.
Oh, dear.
Sylvester!
That's
Your head! No, that's alright.
dirty.
Don't help, your head might get stuck. You should wear gloves. How is it, honey?
I think it's there.
Oh, wow, show me the numbers. I think that is 60 now. Good job, Daddy.
It's so dark. I can't see. I need a torch.
You need a torch. So,
We'll put the post in.
that is the perfect one. 60 po. Ganyan po ka-deep ang 60.
What? I hit the wall.
Oh, done. I think that's good one.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sylvester, do not go under there. Your head will get stuck. You're very dirty now. Definitely, you need to have a shower. Go up, go up. At the end of the day, you will be so dirty, boy. You need to have a shower. A good shower, okay? And we already have one hole there and the second hole over there. And pang-tatlo na po kami.
I'm getting used to it.
Pang-tatlo na po kami and I think malalim na din po siya. Honey, good job. I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
That's a big... What?
Well, me.
I'm very proud to you as well, of
Look at
course.
this one. I need
Okay, okay. Ito po ang trabaho ni Sylvester. This for Chook's house. Oh, well, we are very busy here. Sylvester been building this one. I don't know what he's building. Apparently, it's a chook house as well. What a big day, Dave!
You'll let it drop.
I'm gonna do the up.
He never stopped thinking what he gonna do. Saturday, ito ang Saturday ni Sylvester. Pag walang school, hindi nag-i-stop din.
Look to me.
Yeah, where are you gonna put that? Good job! Here, drink water, Sylvester. You're welcome. Hanggang dito po yung fence namin. I don't wanna go more further. Dito po ang pagitan ng fence ng manok. Sa likod lang po ng cage. We might have to trim this one a little bit. So, yung poste na isa ay hanggang dito. Grabe, this is a very big day for us. I'm proud this man.
Why is he killing the flowers?
That is killing the flowers? No, that's fine. They will grow. There will be more plenty flowers in the top, okay? And they're still cutting. Here, boy. Ngayon, maganda na yung puno. Master saving the flowers. Show me the flowers, darling. He's very worried na kinakat daw ng daddy niya yung flowers. So, he's saving it. Be careful.
This flower for you.
Is it for me?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it's for you.
It's for you, Mate. I'll put in a glass of water so they can survive.
Okay, he will put in the glass of water daw so they can survive. At continue po ulit sa pagdiging. Yung feeling ko po, mga ilang oras na po kami dito. Actually po, kung saan si Dave ay pang-apat pa lang po namin niya nabutas. At kung saan po ako ay pantatlo pa lang po ito. This is a very big dream to someone have no experience kung paano po gumawa ng para pen. Sa akin, pag gumagawa ka nito, tapos kasama mo po yung pamilya magandang memories po siya. Magandang experience for Sylvester. And relax lang po kasi kami. Hindi po namin pinipressure yung trabaho or minamadali. Kasi pag magtrabaho ka, kailangan mo din po i-enjoy with your heart na you love what you're doing. And Dave, continuing po pagdig ng hole. Panglima na po ito. We have to dig a hole at least more than 10. I reckon mga 12. This post hole digger, kung wala po ito, as in mahirapan po talaga kami mag-start po pagdigging. Mahal po to siya bilhin sa Bunnings pero it's very helpful. Makikita niyo po, siya na po mismo ang gumagawa sa pagdigging. Progressing na po kami guys. Marami na po kaming ginawang butas. Makikita nyo po sa opposite side. Sylvester! He's resting now.
Looking for my page.
Yep. Ito, malalim na siya. Finalize na lang po kami to make sure lahat ng butas ay similar po, ay 60 centimeters. Not sure po guys kung tama po ba ito ginagawa po namin. We're not very expert. At yung ginagawa namin ay hindi po talaga perfect siguro yung mga size. Pero masaya po kami kung ano ang maging resulta po nito dahil pinaghirapan talaga namin ni Dave. Oh, sumakit na yung likod. Tonight po yung mga katawan namin for sure, 100% guarantee. Parang mga nakarati yung lawas. Mabuti nga hindi ito maanipin guys kasi kanina pang umaga kami. Pabalik-balik lang siya sa bahay and then laro siya dito, laro doon. Are you happy, Sylvester?
Yeah.
Yes, it looks like it.
I must start building my top house.
You must start. Ano na naman, building chook house na naman siya.
And where's the baby space?
Oh, look at all our stuff. It's everywhere. Ito yung gumawa. And Dad is still digging. David is already wearing mask kasi medyo dusty. Digbo kayo. It was very early in the morning nung nag-start po kami, to be honest. Around mga 8 a.m. I think that time now it's around 2 p.m. Pero syempre po guys, stop and then relax po kami. Para hindi masyado bugbog ang katawan and then makapagtrabaho pa po bukas. Pero ang masakit talaga nito na trabaho mo ang pagdidiging is yung tuhod mo, yung likod mo. Mabuti bata pa po ako. So kaya ko pa po ito. But of course, kailangan po natin alagaan po yung likod natin kasi napaka-importante. Dahil 60 centimeters po ang gusto po namin kung gaano kalalim. Mahirap po siya kasi yung post hole digger, nasa mga 40 centimeters lang po siya makapag-dig. And then under na po ng soil ay mga bato po. At napasabak na talaga kami ni Dave. Tuloy-tuloy na po yung trabaho. Mga 12 na po ang nabutas ni Dave. At so far, determined po talaga siya natapusin na po yung nasimulan niya. Sabi ko sa kanya, we don't have to kasi mayroon pa naman bukas and also it's getting light. Pero tingnan lang po namin kung matapos namin sa pagdidiging pa lang po ng butas. Bukas, it's another project. Continue po sa paggawa ng fence. Hello guys! Finally, tapos na po kami magbutas. Nakabutas po kami ng mga 12 po na butas and most of them is 60 centimeters. What a big day! Naramdaman ko po talaga yung likod ko, ang sakit. And then, bukas na po kami mag-continue. Maglagay na po kami ng mga haligi. At yung haligi po ay lalagyan po ng simento. Abangan na lang nyo po bukas ang continue po namin ni Dave na project na magkaroon po ng chicken fence. Sabi ko kang Dave, it's time to have a relax. Mga 4...
It's getting late.
I know, mga 4 p.m. na po. So, it's time to relax. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Please paki-like po ang video na ito. Bye!
See you next time in Skate on the channel. Next time.
Time to tidy up. Para bukas, continue na naman. I will just put it here, Sylvester. So it's easy. Para bukas, mag-continue lang si Mommy and Daddy. Hello, napakabait. Sobrang bait naman ni Sylvester. Nandidilig na po siya ng halaman. Alam niya, every afternoon ay dinidiligan po yung mga halaman dito. We just turn on the sprinkler para masaya po ang aming mga halaman. Okay. Ito, turn on daw yung isa, yung another sprinkler. Wow! It's such a dream po ang gantong backyard. Ang ganda po sa feeling. Gusto ko po talaga dito, parang napaka-healthy sa brain mo pag nandito po kayo sa backyard namin. Oh, we got lots of water already. Relaxing na siya.